Howdy folks, this is a quick video of an inside of a travel trailer we have here. It's a 2017 Outback, a 15th anniversary edition. It's a 333FE model. It's got the Arctic barrier package, heated and insulation for colder weather and camping. This is a really nice, well put together floor plan. You can see here, we specialize in used RVs, so we fully inspect everything to make everything's in great operating order. It's got the radius roof here, 2 ducted ACs. Those are recliners there. This makes a nice big bed. Also the booth makes a bed. It'll sleep up to 6 people comfortably. You got a fireplace that works like an electric space heater. Does work really well, takes the chill out of the air. A nice big flat screen TV. That does sink down into the cabinets there. And then you got a window behind it. That's a black window shade there. You lift that up and got a great view of whatever you're looking at out there. The lake, the mountains, a volcano, maybe watching people in the zombie apocalypse walking by or something. Who knows? This world's going crazy. Anyway, this is here to enjoy it so you can get out there and venture and enjoy life while we can. This is a nice setup here. You got the kitchen right here. Got a nice, decent sized countertop there with a deep space there. A lot of extra space there. Everything there here really nice. I say that a lot. Anyway, getting back to the video. A lot of great cabinetry, a lot of great storage. Everything's great. I'm using another word, great. 2-door big 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Might be a 10, don't quote me on that, but this is a nice big refrigerator. It's got the more elongated than the shorter. You see that there? Excellent pantry space. Unbelievable pantry space. It actually has like a broom closet here. Turn on the light here. You can hang stuff there. You can put brooms in there. You can put your more pantry. That great big black box there. That's the command center for the electronics in this. This has a push button touchscreen control module to put the slide outs out and all that stuff. Set up your system. So going into the hallway, it's got another cabinetry here for your toiletries, cleaning supplies, put your trophies up here and pictures of family, or you know, your degrees, anything you like. Plants, a plant would be nice. Anyway, this is a pass-through bathroom back here. It's not necessarily you got to go through the bathroom to get to the bedroom. It's just a side off to the side here. You got 2 doors to the bedroom here. That one in the bathroom, and you have one in the hallway here. Anyway, this is a nice radius shower, glass enclosed, easy to step in. That's just a box full of extra RV stuff, but it's got a nice big skylight here. Little sink, medicine cabinet. Turning around here slowly, don't get dizzy with me. This is another door in the bedroom area. You got a big drawers there, another closet, extra space there. This is a king bed. Again, a king bed, I say. You got a AC unit as well up there. Overhead storage. A king bed. I said a king bed twice, 3 or 4 times already. I don't know. It's a hot day out here, folks. It's got extra storage under the king bed. You can put family members down there, or little kids, or what have you. But don't do that. I do not recommend that. Don't be that way. Just, that's all I'm saying. Anyway, going back into here, this is a really nice travel trailer, folks. Here's that touchscreen system I was telling you about. If you want to learn more, hear more about this, come visit us or see it in person at 4060 North Flowing Waters Road here in Tucson, Arizona. You can visit our website at nelsonrv.com to see our current inventory. Give us a call at 520-293-1010, or you can call or text sales at 520-512-8171. I appreciate you watching this video. You guys stay safe out there and happy RVing.